In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a refund in Stripe quickly and easily. Whether you're a business owner handling customer payments or you simply want to manage your transactions more efficiently, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser and go to stripe.com. Once you're on the homepage, click on Sign In at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your registered email address and password, then click Sign In again. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure your phone or verification app is nearby to complete that extra security step. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Stripe dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand sidebar and find the Payments tab. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all your recent transactions. This is where you can view every payment made through your account. Next, locate the specific transaction you want to refund. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find it by entering the customer's name, email, or payment amount. Once you've found the correct transaction, click on it to open the Details page. On this page, you'll see various options related to the payment, including one labeled Refund near the top right corner. Click on Refund, and a small window will appear asking whether you'd like to issue a full refund or a partial refund. Choose the one that fits your situation. For example, if the customer was only partially charged for a service, you can enter the exact amount to return. Before confirming, take a moment to double-check the refund amount and transaction details. Once you click Confirm Refund, the money will be sent back to the customer's original payment method automatically. Stripe usually processes refunds within 5 to 10 business days, depending on the customer's bank. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Stripe balance has enough funds to cover the refund, your internet connection is stable, and that you're working in live mode if it's a real transaction. Doing this helps prevent delays or errors during processing. Once the refund is completed, you can go back to your dashboard and see the transaction updated with a refunded label next to it. That confirms the process was successful. It's also a good idea to notify your customer by email so they're aware of the refund timeline. This helps maintain transparency and trust. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to issue refunds in Stripe quickly, securely, and without any confusion. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.